This video focuses Introduction to Python Functions by asking ChatGPT Introduction to Python Functions with examples and code explanations. We can get the basic knowledge of Python functions. A function in Python is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. It helps in reducing code repetition, makes code more organized, and improves readability. Functions can take inputs, called parameters, or arguments, perform computations, and return a result. Then we copy example code to Xcode and paste to new Python file, then ex the file. By running code example, we can have a preliminary understanding of the syntax and usage of Python functions. Let's first take a look at example 1, simple function without parameters. The function greet does not take any parameters. When you call the function, it prints a welcome message. Next, example 2, function with parameters. The function greet name accepts one argument, name. It takes the provided value and prints a personalized greeting. Next, example 3, function with return value. The function add_numbers, b, takes two parameters, a and b. It returns the sum of the two values using the return statement. The result is stored in the variable result and printed. Next, example 4, function with default parameters. The function greet name equals guest has a default value for the name parameter. If no argument is passed, the default value guest is used. If an argument is provided, e.g., John, it overrides the default value. Next, example 5, function with multiple return values. The function divide, b, returns two values, the quotient and remainder. Python allows multiple values to be returned as a tuple, and you can unpack them into variables q and r. Next, example 6, using functions and loops or conditional statements. The function is _even, number, returns true if the number is even, and false if it's odd. This function is used inside a loop to check each number in the range from 1 to 5 and print. Finally, let's review the key points of functions. Functions improve the reusability and modularity of code. They can accept parameters to perform operations on different data. The return statement allows a function to give back a result after execution. You can define default values for parameters. Functions can return multiple values using tuples.